buy me a phone mount, and I need to buy one like tomorrow. Really like yesterday, I needed to buy the phone mount. But I'm not kissing. What's up, gang? I'm not kissing my princess of a city, and whatever city that I'm in. If you're about to type in, I already know that this is the Monday Madness video. I really don't know what we're gonna have going on in this video, but I'm trying to just make videos as I go, because making videos keep me productive, especially because I don't got no friends, and that's what I'm starting to realize. And the reason why you falling is because you be wanting to do stuff, but if you lock in with your people that's on social, then I have friends, and I have people, that want to know what I'm doing, and I have people that want to talk to me and see how I'm progressing in life and stuff like that. So with that being said, you guys, this is a Monday Madness vlog. I do push out Monday Madness every Monday, but I don't be recording. Every Monday is a madness. And honestly, we're just getting worse and worse as the Monday's going on. So right now I am finna go, I can't be driving. I gotta be a responsible adult and a responsible princess. So yes, I know how to drive with my knees, and yes, I know how to drive without my hands on the wheel and stuff like that. But I don't want to give y'all the wrong impression, and I do not want to teach my princesses. Y'all, we gonna pull princesses out the slums on this channel. Y'all just gotta hold on. I've been trying to do it for a long time. It's gonna make me cry. I've been trying to do it for a long time. I'm sorry that I can't get a grip on it. I'm sorry that being presentable is one of the things that hinders me from y'all understanding that I'm chosen and I'm granted and I'm governed by God. If I just had the ability to wake up and be something that y'all want to see, then I know like that's that. But we're gonna pull up to the store just because it's in our routine. We're gonna pull up to the store, start right here, roll us a blunt, then we're gonna ease and get some money off the card, and then we is going to ease our way back to our side of town so that we could go to try to go to the tire shop. And then there's a couple other places we need to hit today if the day goes if the day is, goes as the day supposed to go. I mean, it ain't like super put together, but it's super cute. It makes me super cute. But that's that, you guys. I'm finna run in here, and what I'm going in here for, to use the ATM and to I don't think I need no guards. I can roll a blunt in my car. So I think I'm just gonna chill, and then I'll be back when we're doing something. Do I even need to go with this stuff for real? Definitely needed those. Definitely needed those. To me, hell no. Oh, I put this one in the wrong hole. Wrong hole. But I ain't taking it out. We're just gonna leave like that. I ain't gonna put no other ones in because I got that little one right there. Feel like this gonna be getting you girls. What's up, Tiny? Can we talk? Just did 5. Oh, it's me. It's fire. Get out the way, little dog. You always barking at me. If I can get to them before they get to me, best fire. Y'all seen me reading my book there or whatever. The dude, the Mexicans. Do Mexicans mind that we call them the Mexicans? I don't know. It's something I need to really figure out. But yeah, the Mexican changed the tire. He was looking at this book that I was reading or whatever, and so I gave him a book out of my car. I didn't have really many options. A lot of the books I got in the back trunk. Is like hood books or whatever. So he ended up getting a book called Eggs in Purgatory, and I think it's pretty much a book about some kind of way they use eggs to kill somebody or something like that is going on. I'm just trying to get some drugs at my book set right now to roll me a blunt. But yeah, he was really nice. He always nice. He let me get the tire for $45. I gave him a book, and he also changed my back tire and my front tire, because he said the front tire that I did have on my car is bad. Now we're on our way to get an alignment, because I need to make sure the car is as good as it could get, and it's been iffy lately. So yeah, do I want to spend my last little group of money on alignment? No, but I want to make sure my car fixed, because if my car break, I can't make no more money. Like, I can make the money back as long as I got a car, but if I don't got a car, then I can't make the money back. But my stomach is hurting for some reason, and my cycle supposed to be going off, so I'm trying to see why. It's probably hurting to show me that it's really not going all the way off, or I'm trying to with the If I can't get to you before you get to me, bust fire. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna get ready to rise. And I hope they don't take our fucking day. It's like 10 o'clock. I ain't even gonna complain. I just know I need to get my car fixed. Though, too, now that I got my tires fixed and changed. Because, like I said, my car driving bad. I don't be talking about nothing for real, y'all. If I can't get to you before you get to me, bust fire. Bust fire. Bust fire. Bust fire. Man, me with white teeth, me with pretty nails, me put together, bitch. Somebody tell Jerome, yeah, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. I'm just sitting here, I'm leaving the tire shop with this. I did my hair in this quick weave style. I already know I'm not gonna leave it up long. It depends on how much I got a flat iron on my rear hair. But I did this one time and it messed my hair up so bad. So like, I'd be surprised if my hair not already messed up and it's just day one. So I know I cannot. I don't even know why I set myself up for this and didn't just buy me a closure when I was in the store. Like, now I'm gonna buy a closure. I'm gonna buy me a closure and then do the style again. I love the style, love the look. A couple things I'm gonna change is like this part of my face. It's really just way too much in my face unless I cut it. It's in my face enough for like one of them layering styles, but I don't got a layering style. So yeah, bust fire. Hello. What's up, gang? I got blessed pretty much.